Alright, this is how we loaded the bike today. This is a little chock that that's what the Harbor Freight store calls this piece right here that cradles the tire. We roll it back in there, and we just strapped it down from side to side. Of course, we screwed this board down. It wouldn't have really supported it very good otherwise. And I think the thing was about 40 bucks. So not a bad deal to hold your bike down. We put the back tire in it because we definitely felt like the front tire wouldn't have supported it enough. So got it on here and rolled it back in there and put 4 straps on it. Got it home safe.